Hello and welcome to another update video about Link. On the Chainlink chart, we can still see an unchanged situation, but actually this move to the downside is unfolding in a perfect way because there were two potentials we suggested here. First of all, the base case. What is our base case? The base case is currently that the price is coming down in a fifth wave in a so-called ending diagonal structure. Very, very long movement here, very strange, but it is moving within a price channel. So it's a very well-defined range. There is structural support in the region between, $4.88, $4.90 and $5.90. You can see price has always been rejected, or price has always found support here and here and here, always. And what we need to understand is that, however, since basically, November, really, prices always come down lower and lower and lower in this support area. So it's made slightly lower lows and also lower highs in this price channel. So that is what defines the price channel essentially. And essentially, when we watch this, you can see that this is a wave 1 that bottomed in November, a wave 2 to the upside, very corrective movements, a third wave to the downside, A, B, C, then a wave 4 to the upside, and a wave 5 to the downside. So that means that we are probably still in the third wave. We should at some point get a wave 4 rally and a wave 5 to the downside. This is at least what seems likely at the moment. This can always change because we're moving in corrective structures, which is just what a diagonal pattern is. But at the moment, it seems to be following nicely and has been doing so for weeks now here on this, this move to the downside. It respected resistance, which was here between $6.40 and $6.92. And we said that against this level, we can focus on lower either. This fourth wave is still unfolding, which I start to think is very unlikely now. So it seems really like that this fifth wave is unfolding in this descending wedge pattern or channel that we discussed in previous videos. So the fifth wave of the larger third wave here seems to be unfolding in an ending diagonal. Probably completed a wave 1, a 2, maybe the 3, the 4, and one more low would be desirable to complete the fifth wave of a third. Then we could get a fourth, but also that should stay below resistance. Then one more low, ideally targeting sort of this range down here around $4.90 roughly, approximately, okay? So still expected lower for now. We can never rule out a more extended correction all the way to maybe $6.92 to max out the resistance, right? And then come down, but it is moving in a correction. So it really would take an impulsive break above the price channel, and even better would be $9.50 to bring this chart back into bull mode. It hasn't moved really in a bullish way, or it hasn't even, moved in an impulsive way to the upside for more than a year. It's always worth keeping an open mind. Is this something else that's going on here? What could it be? It could technically still be that this fourth wave is unfolding still, okay? I don't want to scare anybody, but that's absolutely possible. It would be a very unusual and strange move, but it would be a very complex fourth wave. But it's always possible that this is like a flat structure where the A wave formed 3 waves. A wave. This is a massive B wave, which is unfolding because it's moving correctly. So if after the next low we see an impulse, it might just be the fourth wave, which could unfold as an impulse in a C wave. Just worth keeping that in mind, okay? But it would then be the pullback afterwards that would tell us the truth. If the move down afterwards is in 3 waves and corrective, then we have a 1-2 setup. So it's interesting. So I will start to track something bullish if we see an impulse, but I will also highlight the risk that this could still come down eventually, as long as we are not above $9.50. And even above $9.50, this could still be an ABC structure and a massive fake out. But at the moment, we want to stay optimistic, but at the moment, there is not even any setup that would support that on the lower time frame. That's my update about Link. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.